please. Guys, stay in the baggage. Come on back. Second part, when I went to get another part, my goggles hit the side of the bowl. But it's inside the goggles. They did hit my eye. I just had to get the liquid out. The curry got inside the goggles, and it burnt really, really bad. That's good. Of course, they say don't open your eyes, but you know, I'm still looking at my teammate because I gotta pass this piece. And so I open my eyes, and everything gets in my eyes, and it's just so painful. I'm in a great deal of pain right now.
We have 1 point for the guard, 1 point for Sarmei, Magan 0. Round 3. Wait for my signal. Ang kukunin nyo. Chicken head. Ready? Go! Sarmei is leading. Sumusunod ang Magan. Sarmei, pinasa kay Christian. Ang Magan. Stop.
The challenge is about body parts of animals. And I'm an animal doctor. So, kung body parts ng animals na pag-uusapan or body parts or anatomy, siguro mas alam ko yan. I asked Bowie na siguro, bro, kung pwede mong ipakita sa akin.
Sarmei, you only need 1 point to win this game. On this round, ang kukunin ninyo, big stale, bustak ng baboy. Ready, go! The guy leading. Magan stole the lead. The first pinasa na kay Emma. Pinasa na kay Nico. Magan still leading. Stop. Magan 1. Nagar 1. Sarmei 2. Next round. Wait for my signal. Ang kukunin ninyo. Chicken feet. Ready? Go! Lalaglag na Anna.
Yung third na dapat for the win, yung chicken feet, nakagat ko, nung pag ganun ko, umalis na ako, hindi ko sinecure. So pag ganun ko, nung hindi siya na-secure, tumilapon. So wala akong nagawa.
Diyan, pinasa ka ng Michelle. Dagar, hindi kami pa umahapon ng Magan. Malapit na. Nagpas na lang ito.
Hindi pa rin kami sumusuko kasi halos lahat na hindi natin na-identify agad kung sino mananalo dahil lahat parang excited pa na gusto manalo lahat. Pero hindi nga talaga kami pinala, pero hindi pa rin kami nawawala ng pag-asa.
2 points for the guard, 2 points for Sarmei. 1 point Magan. Isang point na lang para sa guard, isang point na lang para sa Sarmei. On this round, ang hahanapin nyo, tuwalya. Ready? Go! Naghahanap ang mga tribe leaders. Lamang
Tapos umabol kami, naka 2-all. Ganun kami ka, wow, sabi ko parang, oh, malakas din tong team na to, nakahabol kami, naging 2-all.